Here are 3 tips to use public Wi-Fi safely. Always pay attention to warnings. Many web browsers warn you when you visit scammy websites or download malicious programs. Never ignore those warnings and immediately close such sites. Always use a premium VPN. Cybercriminals are always on the lookout to hack your sensitive information, such as your social media accounts, emails, and banking information, etc. Use a VPN to protect your online activities and keep your information safe from hackers. Use an antivirus. Antivirus can help protect you while using public Wi-Fi. It can detect malware that might get into your system while using a shared network. To have a secure experience, make sure your antivirus is always on and update it to the latest version. Stay tuned for more tips.